As the days shorten and a crispness fills the air, we often think of gardens winding down. But autumn is not an ending. It is a transformation, a second spring with its own unique beauty. The fiery hues of falling leaves are mirrored in the garden below. Plants like Japanese maples and burning bushes erupt in brilliant reds and oranges. The garden takes on a new life as we prepare for the colder months ahead. Fall is the perfect time to rejuvenate your garden. Consider adding vibrant, hardy plants. You can create a space that delights the senses well into winter. One star of the autumn garden is the remarkable red creeping thyme. This low-growing, fragrant ground cover provides a stunning carpet of crimson. Red creeping thyme is not just beautiful, it is also incredibly versatile and low maintenance. This makes it an ideal choice for busy gardeners. In the next section, we'll delve deeper into the magic of red creeping thyme. We'll explore why it deserves a place in your fall garden. Let's transform our gardens together and celebrate the beauty of autumn. While red creeping thyme steals the show in autumn, its vibrant red hues create a stunning visual impact that can transform any garden space. This hardy perennial is not only beautiful, but also incredibly resilient, making it a perfect choice for gardeners looking to add a splash of color with minimal effort. It shines even brighter alongside other low-maintenance perennials. When paired with complementary plants, the red creeping thyme's beauty is accentuated, creating a harmonious and eye-catching display that can captivate anyone who visits your garden. Hostas, with their lush foliage in shades of green, blue, and gold, provide a striking contrast to the thyme's crimson. These versatile plants are known for their ability to thrive in a variety of conditions, making them an excellent companion for red creeping thyme. Their large leaves add a sense of drama and texture. The broad, bold leaves of hostas create a lush, tropical feel in the garden, adding depth and dimension to your planting scheme. This contrast not only enhances the visual appeal, but also creates a dynamic and engaging garden space. Coneflowers, with their daisy-like blooms in vibrant hues of pink, purple, orange, and yellow, bring a burst of cheer to the fall garden. These cheerful flowers are not only visually appealing, but also incredibly hardy, able to withstand the cooler temperatures of fall while continuing to bloom profusely. These hardy perennials attract pollinators and provide long-lasting color. Bees, butterflies, and other pollinators are drawn to the bright, nectar-rich flowers, ensuring that your garden remains a lively and bustling ecosystem well into the fall season. Their seed heads also offer architectural interest throughout the winter months. As the flowers fade, the seed heads remain, adding a unique and sculptural element to the garden. These seed heads can also provide food for birds, making your garden a haven for wildlife even in the colder months. Lavender, known for its calming fragrance and beautiful purple blooms, continues to thrive well into the fall. This aromatic plant is a favorite among gardeners for its soothing scent and striking appearance, making it a perfect addition to any fall garden. Its silvery green foliage adds a touch of elegance to the garden, while its aromatic flowers can be harvested for use in potpourris and essential oils. The versatility of lavender extends beyond its beauty, offering practical uses that can enhance your home and well-being. The combination of lavender's purple hues and the deep red of creeping thyme creates a visually stunning tapestry. This pairing not only looks beautiful, but also creates a sensory experience, with the contrasting colors and complementary fragrances working together to create a truly enchanting garden space. By incorporating these low-maintenance perennials, you can create a vibrant and dynamic fall garden that requires minimal upkeep. These plants are chosen not only for their beauty, but also for their resilience and ease of care, ensuring that your garden remains stunning with minimal effort. They provide a beautiful backdrop for the star of the show, red creeping thyme, allowing its color and fragrance to truly shine. With the right combination of perennials, your fall garden can become a breathtaking display of color, texture, and fragrance, creating a serene and inviting outdoor space that you can enjoy throughout the season. Designing your fall garden is like painting with plants. Each plant is a brushstroke, and your garden is the canvas. The choices you make in terms of plant selection, placement, and arrangement can transform a simple plot of land into a vibrant, living masterpiece. You use texture, color, and form to create a living masterpiece. The rich hues of autumn leaves, the varied textures of different plants, and the unique forms of flowers and shrubs all come together to create a dynamic and engaging garden space. Start by considering the existing elements in your garden. Take note of the plants that are already thriving, the structures that are in place, and the overall layout of your space. These elements will serve as the foundation for your new design. Think about the sunlight patterns. Observe how the light moves through your garden throughout the day. Some areas may be bathed in sunlight, while others remain in shade. Understanding these patterns will help you choose the right plants for each area. Take advantage of the natural flow of your landscape. Work with the contours of your land rather than against them. This will create a more harmonious and visually pleasing garden. Think about incorporating curves into your design. Curved paths and flower beds can add a sense of movement and flow to your garden. Curves feel more natural than straight lines. They mimic the organic shapes found in nature and can make your garden feel more inviting and relaxed. They soften the transition between different areas of your garden. Smooth transitions create a sense of unity and coherence, making your garden feel like a single, cohesive space. Use red creeping thyme to accentuate these curves. This low-growing plant can be used to highlight the edges of paths and flower beds, adding a pop of color and a touch of elegance. Plant it along the edges of beds or walkways. Its vibrant red flowers and aromatic foliage will create a striking contrast with the surrounding greenery. This creates a flowing, cohesive look. The thyme will help to tie different areas of your garden together, creating a sense of continuity and harmony. Consider creating distinct areas within your garden. You can design different sections for different purposes, such as a vegetable garden, a flower garden, or a relaxation area. You can have a quiet seating area surrounded by fragrant lavender and hostas. This can be a peaceful retreat where you can relax and enjoy the beauty of your garden. Include a sunny spot for your coneflowers to bask in the afternoon light. These bright, cheerful flowers will add a splash of color to your garden and attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Use red creeping thyme as a ground cover to unify these spaces. Its dense, mat-like growth will help to suppress weeds and retain moisture in the soil. It will create a sense of visual continuity. The thyme will help to blend different areas of your garden together, creating a seamless and harmonious design. Remember, your garden should be a reflection of your personality and style. Don't be afraid to add personal touches and unique elements that make your garden truly your own. Don't be afraid to experiment with different plant combinations and layouts. Try mixing different colors, textures, and forms to create interesting and dynamic compositions. The joy of gardening lies in the creativity and the constant evolution of your outdoor space. As the seasons change, so too will your garden, offering new opportunities for creativity and expression. Why limit yourself to purely ornamental plants? Imagine a garden that not only pleases the eye, but also fills your kitchen with fresh, homegrown produce. Integrating edible plants into your fall garden design adds both beauty and bounty to your landscape. This harmonious blend of aesthetics and functionality transforms your garden into a vibrant living tapestry. Imagine stepping outside your door and snipping fresh herbs to elevate your evening meal. The convenience and satisfaction of harvesting your own ingredients cannot be overstated. Plant rosemary and sage alongside your red creeping thyme. These herbs not only thrive together, but also create a visually appealing and aromatic corner in your garden. Their aromatic leaves offer a sensory experience that enhances your connection to nature. The scent of fresh herbs can be both invigorating and calming, making your garden a sanctuary for the senses. Plus, they provide delicious additions to your culinary creations. Fresh herbs can transform a simple dish into a gourmet experience, adding layers of flavor and freshness. Tuck in a few Swiss chard plants for their vibrant red stems and nutritious leaves. Swiss chard is not only a visual delight but also a powerhouse of nutrients, making it a valuable addition to your garden. They add a pop of color to your garden and your dinner plate. The striking red stems and lush green leaves of Swiss chard can brighten up any garden bed and meal. Don't forget about winter-hardy vegetables like kale and spinach. These resilient greens can extend your harvest season, providing fresh produce even as the temperatures drop. These leafy greens can withstand colder temperatures and even light frosts. Their hardiness ensures that you have a continuous supply of fresh, nutritious greens throughout the fall and winter. They provide fresh, homegrown produce well into the winter month. Imagine the joy of harvesting your own kale and spinach in the middle of winter, knowing that your garden is still providing for you. By seamlessly blending edible plants with your ornamental perennials, you create a garden that is both beautiful and functional. This approach not only maximizes the use of space, but also enhances the overall health and diversity of your garden. It becomes a space that nourishes both body and soul. A garden that offers visual beauty, sensory pleasure, and nutritious bounty is a true sanctuary, providing a holistic experience that enriches your life in countless ways.